Welcome back to StarBike, the ultimate channel for motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa 1200cc. With a legacy that spans decades, the Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle, it's an icon. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its history, what makes the 2025 model special, and whether it lives up to the reputation of its predecessors. Stick around as we also explore its pricing and why it's creating such a buzz in the biking world. Let's rev things up and get started. The Suzuki Hayabusa, named after the peregrine falcon, which is one of the fastest birds on the planet, has been a symbol of speed and performance since its inception. Launched in 1999, the original Hayabusa, with its 1299cc engine, was a game-changer in the motorcycle industry. It quickly gained the title of the fastest production motorcycle in the world, clocking speeds close to 300 km/h. Over the years, the Hayabusa has undergone several upgrades, yet it has remained true to its core values: power, stability, and unmistakable design. The first generation, produced from 1999 to 2007, was celebrated for its blistering speed and aerodynamic design. It was a bike that defied conventional limits, and riders loved it for that very reason. In 2008, Suzuki introduced the second generation, featuring a slightly larger engine, 14 cc's, and improved technology, making it even more powerful and rider-friendly. It was during this time that the Hayabusa solidified its place. Fast forward to the 2020s, and Suzuki decided to bring the Hayabusa into the modern era. The third generation was introduced in 2021, boasting advanced electronics, updated styling, and improved emissions compliance. While it retained its iconic silhouette, Suzuki refined the bike for a new generation of riders, who demanded not just speed, but also safety, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. In 2025, Suzuki has done it again. The 1200cc Hayabusa represents a bold step forward, blending the bike's storied heritage with futuristic upgrades. Let's dive into what makes this model so special. First, the engine. The 2025 Hayabusa is powered by an inline-4 1200cc engine that delivers jaw-dropping performance. It's tuned to provide a seamless balance between top-end power and low to mid-range torque. This means the bike doesn't just excel on long open highways, but is also highly responsive in urban and twisty road conditions. Suzuki has incorporated lightweight materials in the engine's construction, improving overall efficiency and ensuring riders get maximum performance without compromising reliability. One of the most talked about features of the 2025 Hayabusa is its advanced electronics package. It comes equipped with Suzuki's intelligent ride system, SIRS, offering multiple ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and launch control. These features make the bike not just fast, but also incredibly stable and safe, even at high speeds. Suzuki has clearly prioritized rider confidence, allowing even less experienced riders to handle this beast comfortably. A significant update for 2025 is the new lightweight frame. While the Hayabusa has always been known for its stability, Suzuki has reduced the overall weight of the bike to enhance agility and handling. This makes it easier to maneuver whether you're tackling sharp corners or cruising at high speeds. The aerodynamics have also been fine-tuned, with subtle changes to the bodywork that reduce drag and improve overall efficiency. The design is unmistakably Hayabusa, yet it feels fresh and modern. The 2025 model retains the iconic flowing lines and aggressive stance that fans adore, but adds sharper edges and LED lighting for a more contemporary look. The attention to detail is impressive, with high-quality finishes and bold color options that make the bike stand out even more. When it comes to comfort, Suzuki hasn't cut any corners. The seat is redesigned for better ergonomics, ensuring long rides are as enjoyable as quick sprints. The handlebars are positioned slightly higher, reducing strain on the rider's wrists, and the foot pegs are adjustable to suit individual preferences. These small but thoughtful changes make the Hayabusa more versatile than ever. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa 1200cc comes with a starting price of around $18,500 in the United States, which may vary depending on your location and optional accessories. For what it offers, a price point positions it competitively in the high-performance motorcycle market. Compared to other bikes in its class, the Hayabusa delivers unmatched value, combining heritage with cutting-edge innovation. But who is this bike for? The Hayabusa has always appealed to riders who crave speed and performance, but also appreciate refinement and practicality. It's not just for thrill seekers, but also for those who want a reliable, everyday sport tourer. Whether you're a long-time Hayabusa fan or a new rider looking for an unforgettable experience, the 2025 model promises to deliver on all fronts. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa 1200cc is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. Suzuki has managed to preserve the essence of the original while adapting it for a new era. With its breathtaking performance, advanced technology, and timeless design, the Hayabusa continues to set the standard for high-performance motorcycles. And that's a wrap for today's video on StarBike. What do you think of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa? Does it live up to the legacy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from StarBike. Until next time, ride safe and keep the spirit of adventure alive.